In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Grok chat history. If you're looking to clear your chat logs on Grok and want to ensure a smooth and quick process, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this together, with each step broken down clearly to ensure you don't miss anything. To get started, you'll want to log into your account at grok.com. Open your preferred web browser, enter the URL, and input your login details as you would for any other secure site. It's important to make sure you have access to your account credentials before beginning this process. Once you're logged in and on the main interface, direct your gaze to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you should see your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu provides quick access to various personal account settings, a necessary pathway to begin the deletion process. Now, from the drop-down menu, look for an option labeled Settings. Selecting this will take you into your account settings where a range of customizable features and options are available for you to explore. This area is essential for managing your account preferences and data. Within the Settings menu, you'll want to find and choose the Data Controls tab. This section is specifically designed for managing your data within Grok, giving you control over what you keep and what you discard. Navigating through these options is straightforward once you've reached this part of the settings. In the Data Controls section, look for an option that says Delete Conversation History. Clicking on this option is your gateway to clearing past conversations. Grok has made this feature accessible and easy to use, ensuring you maintain privacy with just a few clicks. Finally, Grok will prompt you to confirm your decision to delete your conversation history. This step is crucial as it prevents accidental deletions. When you see the confirmation message, double-check that you're ready to proceed, and then click to confirm. This action will permanently remove all your chat history, and there you have it, a straightforward way to delete your chat history on Grok. Ensuring your conversations are cleared when needed is a useful way to keep your digital footprint clean and your data secure. Remember, once deleted, this information can't be recovered, so proceed with caution. That's it for today's guide. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and that it makes managing your Grok account a bit easier. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.